Take a ride in the 2017 Rio. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power brakes. Inside you'll find child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, cargo area light, trip odometer. The Rio delivers sprightly performance, great fuel economy, and agile handling, all in a stylish package. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.